So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Lido DAO, ticker symbol LDO on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom, press explore, then go to the top search bar and type in a ticker symbol LDO. Go ahead and press on LDO right here. Once you're on this page, go to the bottom right and press on buy. Type in the amount of LDO that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $15 worth for an example, I'll type in 15 and then I'll press on the purple arrow to go to the next page. Once you're on this page right here, you can see how much LDO crypto that you'd be buying, the price of it, the fee that you're paying, the total amount that you're paying, the payment method, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and press confirm. So that is how to buy Lido DAO, ticker symbol LDO on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.